What's going on YouTube? This your boy Zoom Gaming, and I'm back again with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, you better hit that subscribe button. You in for a treat. Now, I'm playing Papi Playtime. I watched the boy Corey Kenshin play it, but more importantly, somebody actually suggested me a new game. And like I always tell y'all, want me to play a certain game. Like I told y'all, I already told y'all I'm not really into the horror games and the scary, spooky games, cause I always get scared, sadly. But if y'all suggest me to play certain games, I will try my absolute hardest to suck it up, pause, and actually try the game and play it for you. So, the homie Matthew hit me up like not even a full week ago, told me, hey, you should really check out this game. He knows like me with the jump scares and stuff, so yeah, now we sadly gotta endure this. Matthew, I blame you for this, but I guess it's time. So these are the settings. I was trying to look at the controls. That would have been easier. I can't even go full screen with this game. Chapter 1, a tight squeeze. Oh, my stupid watch is going off, bro. As an ex-employee of Playtime Co., you finally return to the factory many years after everybody within disappeared. Ooh. Call me Papi. That's creepy. Could you imagine that? A doll that can, like, you can fully just talk to like a regular human? What's up, Papi? My name is Papi. She want me to polish her shoes because I'm black, bruh. She think I'm still a slave. I don't feel good about this. It's Papi. Everyone thinks his staff disappeared 10 years ago. We're still here. Find the flower? Huh? We are still here? Where's the game though? It might be because I'm not in full screen. I knew sprint was shift. I don't know how to use my hands. I don't even know if I got hands yet. Like I watched gameplay on this. Everything about this game is creepy. E is how you interact. Yo, this is already, boy, y'all. Hey, all the OG like Majestic fans out there, y'all already know how I feel about horror games and scary games in general. Yo, that's the one thing with me with these type of games. It's like I take forever trying to find how to get past the first step, and then I don't even want to do it no more, you know? We're not gonna do that this time. We won't give up. Playtime Co. Cafeteria recommends a daily intake of 4,000 calories. Hey, like LeBron James. Green, pink, yellow, red. I'm finna try that. Wait, never mind, hold on. Green, pink, yellow, red. Let's go! Believe it or not, this actually surprised me because, like I said, I wasn't paying attention that much. You can't crouch. Pick up items. I'm gonna put this in there. Playtime. Grab pack. Where I get this? Tighten the strap. Spider-Man. Small objects and handles. Only fire at. Do not fire at co-workers. You can pull their heads off? Wires conductive. Used for rewiring. So that rewrap around the pole goes to that. Okay. Use your grab pack responsibly. The soundtrack on these games is crazy. Though it's gonna be a whole little like section of me just grabbing everything because I have a grab pack. Okay. Okay. When do I grab important things? Trying to look around for any clues on what to do. Hey, I still remember that thing said we are still here. But who is we? Oh, I forgot. I needed this for the high five. So this is a giant monster thing. This reject version of Cookie Monster is trying to attack me. That's crazy. Not really moving. What if he just said raw? So to get past the door, I need 2. I need a red one, and I already got the blue one. So now I go and search through these stores. Can't go in there. I can't go in here. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. So this just disabled the power. What was that? A key, I'm guessing, to this door. I want to use the key to get into the shop. I don't know how that's... Okay, clearly I can't get into none of the doors without something, but that key is supposed to help me. I walked in through here. Oh, I'm making sure that thing ain't following me. So the key doesn't fit in there, or I'm confused a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. High five. High five. Okay, how do I, what's next for me right now? I think I gotta go backwards. The key gotta unlock something else. This was not here. Oh my life. We went over here and through here. That VC was not in. Bro. Alright, bro. Hold on. Item. VC. How can I use these? They're useless if I can't use them right now. Yeah, I want to autosave. That didn't help, did it? Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my. Back to square one. No items now? Oh my.
One eternity later.
Oops. Alright. And then I can use the key with E, huh? Yup, okay. I gotta remember E is how I interact with stuff. It's like something with the power, right? Where's my hand? Where I gotta do something with my hand. Cause they just said, they were just giving me the example how you could wrap. This is the circuit. This is the circuit. Where's the other one? Yo, why is it so dark? Do be kind to others. Show up on time. Not hide behind. Do not hide behind those doors to scare. Oh, the pink girl. Don't stay past 8. I wonder what time it is. It looks kind of dark. Don't misuse company time. Tamper with the machines. Enter innovation wing without authorization. I probably broke all these rules already. Uh-oh. Divert power. What is this, Among Us? Boom. What's the other one? Boom. I'm like that. Okay. Power's on, by the way. Oh, so can I go in that door now? Okay, hold on. I'm lost. My fault, people. So I think I just turned the power on that recently shut off when I was trying to get in that one door. Hey, bro, he's gone. He is gone. Oh, God. What was that? Oh, my gosh. Oh. I just had a heart attack, yo. Another tape. Okay. We're looking for orange tape. Orange tape. Boy, it's a whole baby head, bro. We need an orange tape. It might be upstairs. I'm collecting stuff. Walking hot passes. I'm looking for orange tape. I don't know what these boxes are for. Orange tape, people. A lot of these doors have this blue, red type of thing. So I'm guessing I'm collecting all of these boxes. Cake work. How many more I got left? 1, 2. Ooh, I can parkour. Poppy's parkour. I don't know how many more I need. Man, I don't even know how to get back. So I'm guessing my only way out is through these doors now. So I didn't do myself the best favor in this. I gotta check. Was that thing there? Dude, I almost peed myself, bro. I swore I just seen something behind these boxes. I felt like I'm being watched. Oh, I'm sorry. I hurt my elbow, guys. Ah, it's stretching my arm. I'm too tall for this. Alright. Oh. So this is my way out. This is where I entered. Okay. I can't find the tape. So that's an L. I tried to get it to just play. I felt like I'm missing the tape. I gotta collect them glow stick things. Oh my god! I'm finna cry. I told y'all I keep seeing them like duck behind the shadows or something, bro. Apparently, all them boxes I collected them very fast. Dude, I'm scared. I thought I was gonna see that thing again. What just happened? Is this my other hand? Let's go. Let's go. Oh. It's like I'm learning how to use my own hands for the first time. Danger, do not enter. I think that means enter, guys. Could be wrong, right? I still don't know how to crouch. It controls. Crouch is control. Freak. I didn't want to hit control and then like ruin the freaking game. And of course that's how you crouch. Is there a way you can crouch fast run? No, you can't. Oh, okay, I'm on a roller coaster. Hold on, what? Okay, what's the problem here? This is interesting. It says grab. Grab what? Like what specifically do they want me to grab? And they want me to complete the circuit. Circuit 1 gotta connect to circuit 2. So circuit 1 is where's circuit 1? And then circuit 2. You can't go this way. Okay, hold on. Circuit 1.
One eternity later.
Oh, I'm just stupid once again. Okay, so there is an easier way. It involves doing this, going around, and now I have enough rope to hit this. Yay! So proud of myself. So proud of myself. Okay, this is security. This is when he chases me then. I'm running. I'm so scared right now. Y'all don't even have any idea. The game crashed. I don't know where they loaded me back at. This is... I don't even remember what happened last. Oh, I slid out of this broken thingy. I think this is when I start making toys. Power button doesn't work. Okay. I go upstairs. Come on. We looking for answers. Will this be the first game I complete? Pull this on, die. Good idea, right? Another circuit. This. Yes. Alright, which method did we already try? We already tried going through there, then I ended up falling through. Alright, hold on. How do I... Alright, I need to figure out how to move this. I was able to... There gotta be a way I could cross this bridge, you know? Okay, now it's stuck right there. Go around. Okay. Oh, okay. This is the only way. It's like pull. So I gotta touch that. Come down to here. Okay, what if I touch this, right? Went around, hit that, come this way, pull this way and touch it that way. Let's try that. So, touch this. Come around this way. Okay, so not messing with that idea. Touch this. Oh, that makes it so much more complicated then though. Touch this. Okay. That helps. Oh wait, no, now I could just... No! He said do this. Go across. All this time I thought you had to hold it. Bring the bridge. Go back. What the? Yeah, I don't know, what was all that? Now my guess is to wrap around like this. That's not complicated, is it? Yeah, that is. There's a different way I can wrap around this in. Maybe like this. Ha ha ha. Okay, what did I do? Okay. Whole lot of sparks. Whole lot of sparks. So we're gonna go downstairs. I don't think there's fall damage in this, right? So I could just... It would just slow me down if I got hurt. So this is still off. Okay. 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 So this is a body part. We making little friends. Nothing came out of this. This is how this works. It goes in through the tube. Comes around. That means this is on, right? This is still not on. Okay. Dude, I thought that was that thing, bro. Oh, okay. It's pushing. Push! Like a baby being born. Nobody leaves without a toy. This is the exit. And I think I just made the toy. I'm gonna need that, my guy. And now we put the toy in here. Yes, sir. I get to leave. Locked. Locked. Oh, God! The Cookie Monster! Hey, he's not that scary. But I suggest I run. I'm gonna run. Okay. Oh, God! And that thing's chasing me! It's chasing me! Ah! Oh my God, I told y'all, this thing be messing me up. The homie had called me. Chase me. Chase me, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, you wanna smoke with me? You wanna smoke with me? Weave. 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 Come on, keep going. Keep going. Left. Down. There you go. Oh God, he's still chasing me. Slide. Right. Let's go right. Dude got feet. I'm going. Ah! No! I felt like I almost made it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Okay. Come on. Weave. I'm like that. I'm like that. Come on. Ooh. Come on. So we went in here. Uh-huh. He tried to hit it with the skirt. You feel me? Right. 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 Keep going. Wrong way. Freak. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Huh. Boom. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm hype. Let's do this, Cookie Monster. Boom. Boom. Oh my gosh, he's chasing me for real. You don't got nothing better to do? Alright. You guys. This is it right here. Oh God. Am I dumb? I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I went the wrong way. I'm dumb. I went towards the thing, bro. Come on. Did it so fast I didn't even have to look at the ugly thing no more. Whoop. Whoop. Y'all see the mechanics? Y'all see the mechanics? Let's go. Let's go left. Right. It's like a cheat code. Right. Oh my God, I almost did it again. That thing is low-key scary. Left. 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 Go left. Come on. Come on. Use your brain. Can't go that way. Oh, I could go under. I could go under. Okay. That thing wasn't expecting me. I was expecting it. Alright. Hopefully, Come on, Zoom. This Zoom gang. Zoom gang. Zoom gang. Zoom gang. Zoom gang. Zoom gang right here. This Zoom gang. Let's go. Slide. Come on. Oops, right? Uh-huh. 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 Keep running. Keep running. Keep running. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Where do I go? Okay. Okay. I hit the Windows key. Top plays. Run. Slide in. Pull. He fell! Bing! Bong! He's your friend that likes to play bing bong. Let's go, he dead. My hand's like broke. It's making me move different. I killed it, bro. I killed it. I killed it. I'm so happy. It said find the flower. This is the flower. Well, if it's dead, it's dead. I don't got nothing to worry about. Unless it's not dead. Whoa. Found you. Emily wants to play. Do I have to run? And that's it! Huh, that took me just an hour to make. You know, just something like, just like an hour. Y'all like that video, go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. We finally finished the horror game. I actually like this game. I did have to watch a walkthrough to get out of certain parts, but overall, just watching some gameplay on it, it does help me not get stuck too much. If there was more games like this, I want to get stuck a lot in the first place. Let me know if y'all want me to try out any games. Shout out Matthew for suggesting this game. Yeah, let me know y'all favorite moment. Probably me screaming 10,000 times. Until next time, y'all stay cool. Zoom game.